Question number 1. It is from Afrina Tony. She says, Assalamu alaikum. Is this allowed to pray for anyone who commits suicide? So if a Muslim killed himself, can we ask Allah for forgiveness for him? Well, we know that whoever kills himself, he is bound to hellfire. And the scholars disputed upon his fate. Some said that he will abide, he will go to hellfire forever. And some said, which is the most authentic opinion, is that he is destined to go to hell, but at the end of the day, it is Allah's divine will. So whatever Allah Azza wa Jal wills will happen to him. Because he did not commit shirk, he did not associate others with Allah, he was not a kafir, he did not an infidel. So if Allah wishes, if Allah wills it, He can forgive all of his sins and admits him to Jannah. Or let him spend and do time in hell until he's purified and then admitted to Jannah. In the Sunnah, whenever the Prophet ﷺ was presented a corpse that the person killed himself, so that he would offer janazah prayer, the funeral prayer, the Prophet would refrain from praying on it, and he would say, "You pray upon your brother." So he made a person who killed himself a brother. He did not make him a kafir, and he ordered the Muslims to pray, but not him. And him not praying illustrates that the gravity of that man's sin, and that the Prophet, as the Muslim ruler and leader, cannot offer salat upon him, but it is an obligation upon the others. So yes, you can ask Allah for forgiveness for a person who had killed himself, and you can make dua for him as well.